Hello viewers, welcome back to Ranka Kitchen. Today's video is all about immune booster. We are going to be making use of garlic. Here we have ginger, lemon. This is green tea and mint tea. Stay tuned while we do this together. Garlic helps the immune system to fight germs, viruses that causes cold, flu and cough. Ginger has antibacterial properties that support immune systems. Lemon contains vitamin C and has a natural antioxidant that enhance immune system. Pour into a jar after you must have blended it together. We are going to be leaving it in the fridge in order for us to make use of it every morning. It is now that we have to make use of the mint tea and the green tea. I'm going to be adding hot water to it. Green tea is known to boost immune systems and protect the body against potential viruses, infections and sicknesses. Mint leaves helps to relieve digestion and also improve brain functions. This tea is to be taken every 4 hours of the day.